This is what insurance documents look like. Most people just give up. They don't understand their coverage. They overpay. 83% of entrepreneurs overpay or get denied because they don't understand their coverage, and it's no wonder why. Agents use jargon to confuse you. I tear up the rulebook. I translate policies into plain English. Fast. Coinsurance. You pay 20%. Here's a loophole. This one little tool will save you thousands. I've helped people save an average of $11,000 a year on their insurance. Paste your policy into my free tool, and I'll show you any loopholes in seconds. Subscribe to my channel. Click the button below to subscribe. Protect your business. No bullshit. No bullshit.